Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is July 7th. So the 7th postcard in the Jelly Postcard Play Challenge put on by Ceri the Crafter. Yeah, number 7 already. So we are going to get started. We're just going to put some jelly print on this postcard. That's the place we're starting. Get our background kind of done here. So try and put that straight along the bottom. Easier said than done. Okay, and then I'm going to put this writing. I'm going to put it down that way. I think it's my plan here. Like so. And then, let's see, this bird and this flower. So let me get them inked up a little bit. You've got white edges that can't be tolerated. Oh, this one, I just kind of want to hit the edges a little bit. Okay, so I want to put this kind of along like that, and I want the bird to go right about like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bird down first, so I get him in the right spot, theoretically. Okay, right about there. Okay, and then let's put the flowers down. This is one of those scrapbook paper cutouts that could eat your glue stick if you let it. So I'm just going to kind of pounce it a little bit. Okay, so this is going to go along like that. Okay. Then we've got this little die cut flower that I wanted to put kind of, let's just get a little glue on it. Kind of want it right about there, I think. And then we are going to take our eyelets, our crocodile, and we are going to punch out the middle of this. Ooh, it's still wet. Bad idea, Gail. That doesn't want to punch very badly because it's still wet. Okay, we got it. Good enough. Good enough. I had a friend that worked with me at the college that always used to say, good enough for government work. I'm like, I don't know if that's true. Okay, so let's punch that. Great. Put our crocodile away. Get it out of our way. And I have this little cloth, number 7. That is going to go right through there. Okay, so there you go. Let's do this. A little around the edge here. Little added element with the eyelet. So there you go. Oops, let me just put that right in your face. There is July 7th. Thank you for being here. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.